In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this amazing party flyer using Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. For this tutorial, I'll be using 2000 by 2400 pixel. Okay, resolution, make sure it's at 300. When you're done, you hit create. The next thing we need to do is to import our model image. Okay, so bring this down and so the next thing we need to do is to create a new layer and use the gradient tool. Change this color to black and just slide like this. Okay, scale this up a little. So let's start typing our text. Or before we do that, let's group this layer and name it model. Okay, so let's start typing our text. Change this to white and premium. Okay, so for this I'll be using blacklisted font. Okay, yes sir. So change this font to Flash display. Okay. Semi will be fine. So bring in this so for this is bold and medium. Okay, let's reduce the tracking to -20. Okay, well, let's say -10. Alright, so let's centralize this text. Okay, So let me zoom this. So this is the location of the club, and this is the font I use, BW stretch medium, and for this just a random text, okay, and the top text is medium, then the down text is semi bold. All right. Okay, so let's move this and call it text. So change this to hype policy. Let's add the date of this event. Okay, turn this to black, and let's make this 20, and let's do this. DJ and hype man. Okay, so hold down Alt to duplicate this, and press Ctrl T. Let's drag this down and take it behind this layer. So let's change this color to, okay, this is better. So let's expand this a little. Okay, so hold down Shift while typing. 15th, sorry, 15th, BW bold. Scale this up and bring this down. December. Okay, bring this down. Let's add the time, which is 9 p.m. Let's change the color to this and change the font to Clash Display, semi bold, fine. So bring down the size of this text. Okay, and let's centralize it. Let's add a stroke effect to this shape. Yeah, I'll change this to gradient and size. Let's say 3%. Yeah, 3%, and these are the color code for this gradient stroke. Okay. So bring this down. Club info. This is pyramid, not pyramid. Okay, sorry for the mistake. Okay, so last thing we need to do is to make the design pop. So to achieve that, hold Ctrl, Alt, Shift and E on your keyboard. Okay, and go to filter, camera raw filter, and let's make some adjustments. When you're done, you click OK. So here comes the end of this video. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to give this video a like and comment on this video, share it to your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay creative.